Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to name lobby in Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While finding a public game, you'll be able to notice that there are several lobbies name that will appear on the display. The lobby name is usually the username that you give yourself for Among Us. So if you want to name your lobby, then you'll need to go ahead and select a username for yourself. Go and tap the account button at the top left, and then you'll be able to see your username, your height, weight, level, and experience points in the account info. If you want to name your lobby in Among Us, you can simply go ahead and tap on the change name button and type in the name that you'd like to use. For example, I'm going to type in my own name over here. Once you do that, tap on confirm, and whenever you try to create a new game as a host, you'll be able to see the lobby name changed right away, which is usually your username. If anyone wants to join in with you on your game that you've hosted, they'll be able to see your username as the lobby name. That is how you can easily name a lobby in Among Us, or simply change your lobby name. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.